Welcome to Bakka Academy. So, our today's topic is how to prepare current affairs. In every competitive exam, current affairs plays a major role, and many aspirants find it confusing that how to start, what to read, and whether it is important to make a note of important news or not. So, to answer all these questions coming in our mind, in this video, we are going to discuss complete pattern to study the current affairs. First, we will talk about three major points. To be selective is very important as if you read each and everything from any current affairs source, then it will become very difficult to complete our syllabus and to revise whole part which might be not that much needed. So you need to study only that part which is there in your syllabus, and for that analysis of syllabus should be done before starting any preparation. So I request you all to first go through your syllabus thoroughly. Okay, about making notes, if you didn't, then before exam you will face a difficulty if you are not able to recall everything, and that time will be not sufficient to read everything once again. And if you did it and your notes having only things which are important to you in your exam point of view, that will help you a lot. Yes, we advise you to make your own news diary. In that, write down all the important news in short and informative way. Do not write complete news there. Just write topic names, headlines, dates, exactly what happened, who involved there, and what is the outcome. And one more thing for CSC aspirants, as they need to write answer in descriptive manner, background should be written. We will talk about that in next slide. Yes. So here you can see a flow chart to understand the pattern of learning from news. Whichever news you get from your source, you are going to find its background, and after that, what is the impact on current things of that background is need to be studied. When impact is known, one thing comes with that is sustainable solution. What you think about the same and how that thing can be solved is need to be studied. And all this deep study format is for preparation of long answers. So if your exam is in objective form only, then don't go for too much deep study, just go for the required one. Now we will talk about the sources from which you can prepare this section. Some best sources are newspaper. You can take newspaper like the Hindu, the Indian Express. All the newspaper covers almost the same news, but in the Hindu one additional part is given, that is your editorial part, which is very important in CSC point of view. Then the next source is monthly magazine. Here many magazines are available in market. You can study from Pratyogita Darpan. There you will find all the news from particular month covered within single magazine. You can use internet also like YouTube channel covering entire important news, or else websites of IAS or competitive exam preparation academies provide such things for free. You can also go for All India Radio, but one thing you should keep in mind that you should become selective first so that you can make a useful note for your competitive exam. Let us now focus on what to read. We already analyzed few things for every competitive exam which are common, but yes, the study pattern will be different for long answer exams and objective exams. Yes, whenever you are going to read from any sources, firstly go through the headlines, and if you find that news in relation with topics which we are going to see now, then only invent your time there. Okay, so first is your international news. In that, you are going to select the news of international conflicts, elections, globally arranged meetings, and other their agendas, and also regional treaties. If we talk about conflicts or any other subsection, firstly you should find why that thing is there in news, then its background to find the reason why this actually happened and what exactly happened. After that, you are going to study the impact on current situation, like its advantages, disadvantages, and what are the methods of protectionism, and for other news, sustainable solutions will be studied. Yes. Second one is national news. This part is very important. You should keep track of every relating news like India's foreign relations, economic ties, political conflict. But political conflict should be done only important one. Bilateral and multilateral relation. Then third part is your politics. You should focus on the new laws, bills, constitutional amendments, recent election, and also the news related to upcoming elections of union government. New appointees at high position in executive, legislature, and judiciary should be done seriously. Yes. Fourth important part is business and economy. In that you should become more selective. Please go through your syllabus thoroughly and come to know about your requirements. If you are going for exam related to this section, you should focus on this more. Important banks decisions, okay, latest budget of country, international, and also few things from state level should be done. Trends like inflation and GDP related news are also important. Business mergers at national and international level and new appointments of head position in such things should be noted down. Growth rate of economy is also that much important. Yes. So next is our fifth part, which is your sport part. In this part, you should not focus on everything. Only winner's name at national and international tournaments should be noted down. Do not study this part so deeply, but yes, you should find information about major tournaments and also the performance of Indian sport person at the international level. Olympic games and other major things should be studied in elaboratory manner. Yes. Then we will talk about the miscellaneous part. Either than topic which we have discussed, there are some more other informative and important topic. You can see here technological development related news should be studied very well. Science related news are also very much important, but must remember only extreme things should be learned, like something invented very firstly or which was very much needed should be studied well. Environmental news are also important as many questions come from this section. Worldwide celebration, cultural or festival related news also need to be studied. Like we see before CSC exam, editorial part is very important. This part gives you a knowledgeable thoughts of respective writers who elaborate many key issues in understandable manner, and this helps you to think about the same. This section is mainly for the opinions and analysis of particular issues on which question can be there in your exam. This also help to improve your interview part. You can use newspaper for preparing English paper also. The phrases and words which are coming again and again and very new to you should be used to improve your vocabulary part. As English improvement needs reading, so instead of reading other things, you can invent your time here only, which will give you two things simultaneously. Your next question might be how much time we should spend on this particular thing. So the answer is don't go for wasting time. Initially, for 1 to 2 months, it is okay to invent your 2 to 3 hour per day, but after that, you should not go for this section for more than 1.5 hour per day. Must remember, do not waste much time in a single news and be selective. Don't go for each and everything. Time is very important thing. You should save it for other subject too. My dear friends, initially you will face difficulty and lot of mood issues while preparing this section, but trust us, if you keep doing, you will become a pro soon. That means not only in this section but also in your complete preparation of any competitive exam. So all you need is dedication and loyalty toward your preparation. For this part analysis, every important news is very important. Make a proper note of it and revise things periodically. Gradually you will find yourself doing well, but hurry up, don't skip a single day, and be strong in this competitive field. Best wishes to you from Abaka team. All the best for your brighter future. Thank you very much. If you find us helpful, do like us, do comment, subscribe for more videos. We will meet with more information soon.